Solved how to fix Sea of Thieves stuck in loading screen on Windows. 1. Run the game as administrator. Like this. 2. Do an app reset by overset.exe. 3. Change the time and region. 4. Run getapps package for each apps package. Disable development mode. Register $__.install location, appexmanifest.xml command PowerShell, admin mode. 5. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. 6. Update your drivers, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, and programs, via MS Store app. 7. Disable incompatible apps. From running with your system via Windows Clean Boot.